Have you ever been asked, like, so, what do you do? And then suddenly your brain went blank? Let's fix that today because I will teach you how to write your perfect elevator pitch so that you sound confident, clear, and client ready, even if you're a beginner virtual assistant. Hi, this is Mary. I am a work from home mom and I help aspiring freelancers grow their online career with confidence. In this video, I'll show you how to craft your elevator pitch that makes your clients instantly get what you do and want to work with you. Okay, so just a quick background. Ang elevator pitch is your like a 30-second intro. Short enough to say while riding an elevator but strong enough to make someone remember you. And to create one, meron lang tayong 4 na steps. So step number 1, start with who you are. It's very simple. Hi, I'm Anna, a general virtual assistant who helps small business owners organize their daily tasks. Huwag mo nang i-overthink. Hindi kailangan ng title na CEO of my life, okay? Just be clear. Step number 2, add what you do and who you help. What problem you solve. So for example, I help real estate agents manage their listings, update spreadsheets, and handle client emails. The more specific kasi, the better. And client loves clarity. Kaya nga yung ibang sinasabi nila, mag-start ka sa kung ano nga ba yung niche mo. Ako naman, I figure out what kind of service I will provide online and how we can help business owners. Potato, potato. Step number 3, add your value or result. What happens when people work with you? Example, so they can focus on closing deals. Halimbawa, you help real estate agents so that they can focus on closing deals instead of drowning in admin work. That is your magic line. It will show your impact, not just your job. And step number 4, end with confidence. You might want to say, if you're looking for a reliable virtual assistant who get things done fast, I'd love to help. Boom, boom, boom. You sound professional and approachable. As a bonus tip ha, practice your pitch like a mini TikTok script, ganyan. Record yourself, tweak the tone, and memorize the flow. The goal is to sound natural, not robotic. Another example of a pitch would be, hi, I'm Mary, a virtual assistant who helps real estate agents manage their listings and client emails so that they can focus on closing deals. If you are looking for a reliable virtual assistant who delivers fast and organized results, I'd love to help. Just to do a quick recap, step 1, start with who you are. Step 2, add what you do. Step 3, add value and result. And step 4, end with confidence. You might even want to add like a simple call to action. Are you available to talk tomorrow or Wednesday? Mga ganon. What about you? How would you introduce yourself to a client? Comment your version below and maybe I can also help you tweak it. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more freelancing tips every week para ready ka na sa next client pitch mo. Now, for my mentees, kasi kasama to sa application book nila, your next step would be to prepare an elevator pitch kasi ilalagay at idadagdag nyo sa resume at sa cover letter ninyo. For the rest of the people that are watching this, your next step, watch my next video about how to build your VA portfolio kasi perfect combo yan with your new elevator pitch. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home and follow for more work from home chismis. I'll see you on the next vlog. Bye!